Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I have something really exciting for you. Maybe you read it already on the title of this video or on the thumbnail, but I will show you how to add the VPVR, the volume profile visible range, on your free version of the TradingView account. Normally you need the pro version of the TradingView account, but I show you which indicator you can use that you have also the VPVR on the free version. So I will show you this on my screen monitoring. Here you can see my TradingView Pro account with the VPVR candles already inside with the VPVR indicator, this blue and yellow lines here. But I will show you how you can add this also on your free version. Just stay tuned till on the end of this video, because here is my free version. I want just to show you that's no fake news, nothing. When I give inside VPVR, volume profile visible range, and I put it, I want to add it, there is that they tell me in the pop-up, please make an upgrade or please upgrade your plan with the 30-day free trial. Then you can use it. After that, you have to pay it after this 30 days. And that is not what we want. I want just to show you now with one click, but I will show you also how you set up this VPVR. And this is in the free version. You see how powerful this VPVR is. Already now we have here a perfect resistance on the VPVR where Bitcoin cannot go more up, you know. But I would say I show you now how to add this VPVR on your free TradingView account, and I show you also the complete settings, what you have to add that it looks like this. Because, I will show you. We go to the indicators. The first step what you do is to put inside on search VP, just these two letters, VP. Then you scroll down and you're looking for the user K4 for coins, please. And then you add this volume profile from K4 for coins. You add this inside. Okay, I put just the user. Here you click on the left side on volume profile. And then you see now I have a lot of new candles. I put away the old one. And you see this is how you will see it when you add it. And now we make the settings perfectly that you can use it correctly. So when you are on the settings, that's here, you click on it, you're on the input, we change all these numbers here. The first one I changed to 360. The second one I changed to 72. The third one I changed to 68. The horizontal bar horizontal offset I changed to 51, but this is the only one what you can change every time. I will show you later why I say we have to change this every time. And the last one is 20. The last step, what I do is here to show POC line, because that is the long one you see in the background, this orange line, this is the most volume traded area. And I don't want to add it in my completely area here in the chart. So I let it just without the POC line. And then I put a little bit more color on my VPVR candles. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, now you see you have this VPVR in your free TradingView version, but, and this is maybe what can disturb you, that the VPVR candles are in the chart inside, in the chart candles. And how you can change this. This is what I want to tell you before. The bar horizontal offset you can change here. When if you put the numbers here more, yeah, if the number is higher and you click on it, you see the VPVR candles go more on the right side. When you put it lesser, I make 40, that goes more to the chart. For now, I would say we take the 65 or we take 60. Then we have a nice, perfectly, yeah, you see here already, Bitcoin is fighting with this VPVR candle to go more up, you know. And also when you see in the past time in the chart, where we have here, just that you see that it works. Where we have here support and resistance, you see here, this is the VPVR candle. I just put the other one away here. Yes, that you see here, we had here a lot of resistance. We had here a lot of support, and then we were falling lower. But this is the VPVR candle showing before where is the resistance and the support. You can here edit better. Yeah. That was it. I hope it will be helpful for you that you can add also this VPVR, this most powerful trading indicator on your TradingView account, even it's the free account. You know, I would really appreciate when you like this video, when you subscribe my channel, and maybe you activate the bell to don't miss out when I put another. I have a lot of other TradingView hacks like this one, you know. So I hope you enjoyed the video, it was helpful for you, and see you next time. Bye bye.